What's going on, AutoCraze fam? Adam here, back at it again. This time I've got a Hilux coming in for the full works. Now this car belongs to Mickey P. Mr. Mickey P, if you're watching this, when you do watch this, mate, this car ain't gonna look like this anymore. Color-coded rival bar, fuel ZEPHYRs in the red with the Falcon tires. I don't want to throw too much off, guys, so stay tuned and watch the rest of this build.
Barney, we need to hurry up, bro. Adam just told you this is a massive build. I've got to end of the day to get it done. So get the f out my way, bro. Barney, like I said before, man, and Bob Marley said it too, everything is gonna be all right. Everything.
There you have it, guys. Mickey P's TRD is done and dusted. All right. Now, Mickey P is a bit shy. So Mickey P's name's AKA Michael Politis. The main man is just gonna grab him because he's a little bit camera shy. Get in the, get in here, bro. All right. So this is the owner, Michael. There you have it. The TRD beast is completed. Came in. Bone stock.
Stock, mate.
You knew what you wanted. You wanted to keep the theme consistent, which is what we did. We kept it classy, we kept it simple, and we kept the black and the red consistent throughout the whole car. Starting from the front, which is the main focal point, main focus, rival bar, color-coded to suit the car, right? Red bash plate, red TRD bash plate to go along with it. The D-shackles, which we threw in for you. The red recovery hooks, it's absolutely amazing.
Speechless, mate, honestly.
Speechless?
Speechless.
Yep. Fuel ZEPHYRs, candy red, black ring. Shout out to Falcon for throwing in the tyres for us, 275, 55, 20. Obviously it did get lifted as well too. We got the 2-inch AutoCraze kit, kept it again, theme consistent, red coils, exactly the way you wanted it.
Yep, beautiful.
Right. Talk to me. Talk to the guys.
I'm
they
actually...
want to hear you.
Guys, come down to AutoCraze, honestly. The work is amazing. The customer service is phenomenal. I'm honestly speechless. This thing's a beast. I got nothing else to say except for one more thing.
Something from us to you, okay? Obviously, guys, our family is growing. Michael's another one. Michael, this is from us.
What'd you do, bro?
Just a bunch of goodies in there,
What'd
bro.
you do, bro? Dead.
Jumpers, shirts, lanyards, the lot. Okay?
You're a legend, bro.
Anytime, brother.
Love your work, mate.
Guys, Michael has one last thing for you guys. Take it away, bro.
Mo, that's how you do a Hilux, bro.